Hey, I'm Luigi, a member of the Teenage Advisory Board with the Howard County Library System, and I'm also partnered with the chspyoneers, a school-based club. So I'm here today to go over with you a built-in data structures in Python called dictionaries. So what is a dictionary? A dictionary is similar to the book you use to search up a meaning of a word, but in Python, a dictionary is used to pair a volume with a key, while the key cannot be duplicated. Just like the word in dictionaries. You can have the word with the same meaning, but you cannot have the same word that's exactly the same. So how do we create dictionaries? There's two different types of format that you can create dictionaries in Python. The first one is the clear format, which will be easier for other people to read your code. And the second one is collapsed format, which will be faster for you to write a dictionary. And now I will show you how to create a dictionary. So to create a dictionary is very similar to create a list, but instead of a bracket, you will use a curly bracket. And you will have a key and volume separated by the semicolon inside of the bracket. And just like a list, a dictionary can have many different types of volume variables, such as string, int, and boolean. And the last pair of key and volume, it does not need a comma at the end of it. So now I will show you how to get keys and volumes in the dictionary. So there's 4 different types of methods that you can use to get volumes or the key in a dictionary. The first one will be get, which will return the volume of a specified key. The second one will be volumes. It returns a list of all volumes in a dictionary. The third one will be keys. It returns a list containing dictionary's key. And the fourth one will be items, which will return a list containing a tuple for each key and volume pair. And you will learn tuple in the next tuple/set class. So first, you will need a print method. Since all 4 of this method does not print out the result, you will only return the result. So we need a print method to receive it and print it out. So first, you will need to have the name of the dictionary followed by the method that you're going to use. For example, right here I'm going to use get. And so inside the get, you will need a key of the volume that you wanted to print out. As you can see, right now I have printed out Bob, which is the volume for the key name. And if I want to know the age of this person, then I will enter the key age, which now it will print out the volume 10, which match the key age. So now, if I know all the volume of the dictionary, I will use the method volumes. And now it does not need putting any keys inside the parentheses, since volume will print out everything. As you can see here, all the volume will be located inside of the list, separated by a colon. Separated by a comma. And now, if you want to get all the keys inside the dictionary, it's exactly the same with the volume method, but instead of volumes, you will type keys and parentheses. And inside parentheses, you also don't need anything inside of it. And now you can see all the volumes, key, age, and student will be located inside of this list. But what if you want to print out all the key and volume at the same time? And you also wanted to know which key and which volume are paired. Then you will use the items method. And the items method will print out a list that include all the volume and the keys inside of a tuple, which you will learn in the next class. And now I will show you the 4 methods I can use to change the element inside of the dictionary. The first method will be update, which is used to update the dictionary with another dictionary. The second one would be del. It deletes the element with specified key. The third one would be pop. It removes the element with a specified key. But the difference between pop and del is that pop method will also return the volume of the key and volume pair that have been deleted. The last one will be clear. The clear method is used to remove all the elements from the dictionary. And now I will show you how to use these methods. So first, I will show you the update method. In order to use update method, you will have the name of the dictionary followed by update and parentheses. And inside of the parentheses, you will have the information that you want to add into the dictionary. But right here, you can see that it pop out an error. This is because the update method can only update the dictionary with another dictionary instead of a key and volume pair. So, in order to use the update method, we will need to create another dictionary with the information that we wanted. So right here, I will add the name of the second dictionary that we just created and use the item method that we have just done previously to make sure the information have been updated into the first dictionary. As you can see right here, the SID have been updated into the dictionary. But since we already have the information SID, so we know that Bob is a student. So we don't need a student 2. So now we will use the del method to delete the student. In order to use the del method, you will need put the name of the dictionary with a bracket and the key of the information that you want to delete. And now, to make sure you haven't deleted, we can use the point and the get method to make sure that you have been deleted. So, as you can see, it have a none since the student have already been deleted. So the first dictionary does not contain the key student, so it will not print out the method. But what if you want to delete the student? And you also want to know the volume of the key student at the same time? Then you will not use the delete. You will use pop. In order to receive the result, the pop return, you can put pop inside of the point method, and inside the parentheses, you can add a key that you want of the volume that you want to delete, and point again to make sure the student have been deleted. And you can see it point out 2 since the volume of the key student is 2. And again, it point out none since student have been deleted. So now, what if we want to delete everything inside of a dictionary? You will use the clear method. And to make sure that all the information have been deleted, we can use items method again to make sure everything have been deleted. And you can see the list was completely empty since there's nothing. And this is the end for this tutorial of dictionary. And now let's do a practice problem. So what you need to do is merge the following 2 Python dictionaries into one new dictionary and point out all its keys with the key method. Pause the video and try it out. The answer will be shown at the next slide. So first, you will need to have the 2 dictionaries, student and pet, with all its key and volume pair. And then you will create new dictionaries that's empty. And then you will use the update method to update both of these two methods into the new dictionaries. And last, you will print out the new dictionaries with the keys method. And your result should be something like this. And this is the end of this video. Keep learning more Python by watching our future videos. If you have any questions, email us at chspyoneers@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.